ever wondered why people say bless you when you sneeze? It's one of those things that just happens, like reaching for a tissue or trying to hold in that second sneeze that never quite arrives. But trust me, the story behind sneezing superstitions is a wild ride across cultures and centuries. Let's zip back to ancient Greece. Back then, sneezing wasn't just a random reflex. Oh no, it was seen as a divine omen. If you sneezed during a big decision, the gods were apparently chiming in with their opinion like a heavenly, "You got this." In fact, the philosopher Xenophon wrote about a soldier's sneeze being taken as a good sign right before a battle. Imagine your next big life moment hinging on a sneeze. Now hop over to ancient Rome. There, folks believed sneezing could literally expel your soul from your body. Sounds dramatic, right? To avoid disaster, you'd say Jupiter preserve you. Jupiter, being their top god, hoping he'd keep your soul safely tucked in. It's a bit more high stakes than reaching for hand sanitizer. Fast forward to the Middle Ages in Europe and things get even more intense. The plague was sweeping through and sneezing was a seriously bad sign. Saying God bless you was like a tiny prayer hoping you dodged the worst. Pope Gregory the Great is even rumored to have encouraged it as a way to ward off illness. So next time someone sneezes, remember you're taking part in a centuries-old health ritual. But sneezing superstitions aren't just a Western thing. In Japan, if someone sneezes once, it means someone's talking about you behind your back. Twice? Someone's praising you. 3 times? Uh-oh, you might have a cold. It's almost like a social media notification, but with more tissues. In India, sneezing right before leaving the house is considered unlucky. The fix? Wait a moment, sip some water, and try again. It's like hitting refresh on your day. And in some African cultures, sneezing is seen as your ancestors visiting you. So instead of a bless you, you might say a quick thanks to your family from the other side. Wild, right? A simple sneeze has been everything from a divine sign to a warning, a curse, or even a compliment depending on where you are in the world. So the next time someone sneezes nearby, think twice before you just mutter, "Bless you." You're not just being polite, you're playing your part in a tradition that spans thousands of years and countless cultures. Yes, and tight, bless you, or just a knowing nod. There's a whole lot more history in that little achoo than you might think. Thanks for watching, and may your sneezes always bring you good luck.